Previously, I had made a log cabin for one of my grandsons. In looking through my stuff, I discovered that I still had some leftover pieces of wood, so I decided to make another child's bed. My grandson's family consists of 2 boys, so I felt that his boy doll needed a brother. I think I need a I would not want to be doing little pieces like this on my big, powerful sander. I would hurt myself probably. I'd probably make a mistake. Having this smaller sander, one that's more easily controllable, is great. And it's faster than just doing it by hand with a piece of sandpaper. So this is a lot safer for doing small projects. So I have, of course, I have different speeds on my drill, so I can control it. I can go faster if I want to, or I can go slower if I want to. I believe I have my pieces all sanded, so I can start assembling the bed for the log cabin. My miter box to an L-shaped base. This way it fits on the edge of my workspace more easily, and it won't slip while I'm cutting something because it kind of hugs the edge of the table, and the edge of my table is rounded, so having a square edge works so much better. For some jobs, the big sander is the best tool. I believe in having the right tool to do the task. When I started assembling it, I realized, oh no, my bed is far too narrow. It needs to be 4 boards wide, so I made that adjustment before putting the bed together. Now that is much better. My leftover pieces, I was also able to make a small table and 2 chairs. The table and chair set could go in the bedroom or out on the front porch, or it could be an extra table in the kitchen area. But that's up to my grandson to decide. Here is the log cabin and the pioneer family that I made to live in the house. I made a brother to complete their family. I will share my process for making the hair for the DollHouse dolls in a future video. I do have a video and tutorial on how I make the dolls. The dolls are posable and unbreakable. There's no small parts to come off the way that they are constructed. You can find those videos on my playlist, DollHouse Creations. I hand paint the faces on the dolls. Sometimes I use a toothpick and sometimes I use a very small brush. I use acrylic paint. Here are the additional furniture to add to the log cabin. I also made some breads and breakfast plates with eggs and bacon. I decided to make some real plates of food. See my previous videos on the process of making breads and baskets and how I made plates using milk caps. This is how my young grandson set up his house. It almost looks like a Thanksgiving feast. He took the fish off the hook immediately and served them up on a plate because he likes to eat tuna fish, he told me. He found a spot for the brothers' bed. I made sure to give the brothers matching quilts, so now the family is complete. But I have a list of additional things that I want to add to this collection. This pioneer family can live happily ever after in their cozy little log cabin in the woods. Or maybe it's in the mountains. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to see future creations.